Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to set up discount codes on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the discount section right here at the left side of your screen and click on create discount. Here you can just go ahead and select discount type that you want. Okay. So for example, you want free shipping right here, or for example, the buy one get one, amount of order, and amount of products. Okay. So just choose whatever you want right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the amount of order. So here you can just go ahead and choose the method. If you want it to have the code, just go ahead and choose the discount code or the automatic discount. Okay, but I'm just gonna go ahead and choose discount code. Then here, just go ahead and type the code that you want. So for example, save 20. Okay, so save 20 means is that the or 200. Okay, so I se- I choose save 200. That is because the new customers will save 200 pesos in their first order. Okay, so here as you can see at the value section, you can just go ahead and choose between percentage or fixed amount. Okay, so if you mean in your discount code is the customer will save 10%, just go ahead and select the percentage option. But if you have a fixed amount, just for example 200, just go ahead and click on the fixed amount and type the amount right here. Okay, now here at the minimum purchase requirements. So you can just go ahead and choose no minimum requirements, minimum purchase amount. Here put the minimum purchase amount that you want, as well as here in the minimum quantity of items. Okay, so let me just go ahead and choose this one. So let's just say 200 also. Okay, but this is just an example. Okay, so here customer eligibility, you can just go ahead and choose if it is if the all of the customers can use this code. So choose all customers, specific customer segments. So here on my example, the my target is the new customers. Okay, so to do that, choose specific customer segments, click on the browse button right here, and choose customers who haven't purchased. Okay, click on add. Now the maximum discount uses. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the limit to one use per customer, but you can also choose the limit number of times this discount can be used in total. Limit number of times, okay? So just go ahead and put the limit number of times this discount can be used in total. Okay? You can also just go ahead and combine it with the no shipping discounts are currently set to combine like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and uncheck that one. And here, just go ahead and set the start date and the start time. And if you want to set an end date, check this box, set the end date. So for example, I want to end it on 13. Okay. And the time, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. And once you're happy with this one, you can just go ahead and check the details right here. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on the save button. You can also use a shareable link to promote your discount code via email or social media. This discount will be applied at checkout when customers use this link. Okay? And that is how you set up discount codes on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.